This is our new tech center, and today it's finally the day of our grand opening.
This event today is very important. Face-to-face conversation, open doors, which email never would. We are proud that clients and partners can test machines here under real conditions before making their decisions.
The opening of the Tech Center is a milestone for Westeria. It's a place of innovation and the base to grow together with our partners.
The Westeria Tech Center is impressive, especially how it shows the match between screening machines and windsifters.
This event is a great chance to get in contact with different partners coming from different sites and customers and suppliers to lift up and develop new projects, lift up and combine different kinds of technology to bring it to the future.
Decisions are never made on facts alone. Trust and emotions play a huge role.
It was valuable to be here today to see the output fractions and the purity of the materials.
I really got a good picture what Westeria can deliver and what is needed on this market today.
This day was special. It's amazing to see how passion and teamwork makes this day possible.